Today, I'll walk you through a straightforward but really powerful process: how to create organizations and organize customers inside Jira Service Management. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up clear groupings for your customers, making it easier to manage requests, streamline communication, and deliver excellent service. If you've ever struggled to keep track of different clients, departments, or teams within JSM, this quick guide is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to be inside your Jira Service Management project. If it's been a while or maybe you're running multiple projects, just make sure you're working in the right one. Your organizations and customers are tied to specific projects, so double-check at the top of the screen before continuing. Once you're inside your project, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll notice a section labeled People, and just beneath that an option called Customers. Go ahead and click on Customers. This is your central hub for managing everyone who interacts with your support team. Think of it almost like a guest list for your project's help desk. It keeps all your external contacts organized in one accessible place. Now, to create a new organization, look for the Add Organization button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to give your new organization a name. When naming organizations, it helps to be specific and consistent. Maybe you work with several companies, use their company names. Or perhaps your organization supports lots of internal teams. Think about naming them by department or region, like Marketing Team or London Office. A clear name will save you and your teammates a lot of head-scratching down the road. After creating your new organization, it's time to add your customers. You can add people to the brand new group you just made, or if you already have organizations set up, you can add customers to those as well. Simply click on the name of the organization you want to work with. This opens up the details for that group, including a handy list of everyone who already belongs. Now let's bring in your customers. Click Add Customers. A box will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the users you want to add. You can paste in several emails at once, separated by commas, a real time saver if you're onboarding a bunch of people. After you've entered the addresses, hit Add. Jira will take it from there, sending out invites and associating those users with the correct organization. If you get an error about an invalid email, don't worry, just double-check for any typos or stray spaces. And that's it, you've now created an organization and organized your customers within Jira Service Management. Taking this extra step not only tidies up your user management, but it also makes it easier to automate notifications, assign requests, and report on support activities by client or team. It's like setting up clear folders for each group you support. Everything stays easy to find and your service desk runs smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. If you have any questions about Jira Service Management or want to see more in-depth guides, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.